Hi, my name is Nicholas Hill. I'm the Director of Revenue Enablement for Crunchbase, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install a skill for your Crunchbase MCP server. Now, before we dive in, let me just quickly cover what a skill is. So the Crunchbase MCP server allows you to access Crunchbase data within your AI tool of choice using natural language queries. What a skill does is it teaches the MCP server how to use that data for a specific purpose. So which filters to apply, in which order, and what a good result actually looks like. And this unlocks three things for you. First, consistency. You'll get the same quality of result every time you use the skill. Second, speed. Instead of having to recreate half a page of prompting every time, you can just use the skill without having to kind of re-explain your criteria every session. And then finally, expertise. The skills are designed to work the way that someone who does this every day would approach the problem so that you're not having to know that yourself. Now, the first skill that we're releasing is our Venture Sourcing Analyst skill, which will help you understand things like what raised in my space in the last few weeks, build me a list of companies matching this thesis, write me a brief on this company before my meeting, is this space getting overfunded, or watch these companies and tell me what changed. And these are just 5 variations of the types of questions that you would be able to ask with this specific skill. Now, installing it is actually incredibly easy. You're just going to go to data.crunchbase.com. On the left-hand side, you'll see Getting Started with MCP. You'll see Skills for Crunchbase MCP coming soon. And down here, you'll see Download our Beta Venture Sourcing Analyst skill. I'm going to click on this. It will take me to the Google Drive file. There's no preview available, and that's by design. I'm going to go ahead and click Download and download it to my computer. And then I just need to install it in ChatGPT. So the way to do that is I'm going to go to Plugins on the left-hand side. I'm going to click Skills here at the top. And then I'm going to click the plus sign to the right of the search bar. I'm going to click Upload from your computer. And then I'm going to drag and drop the skills file from my Downloads folder directly into here. It's going to let me know there's an existing one because I've done this before, but that's okay. I'm going to click Replace, and then it will go ahead and install that skill. Once the skill is installed, you'll get this little green confirmation, and then you'll be able to use the skill and chat with it. So this one is Crunchbase Sourcing Analyst, so I can actually chat with this skill from any open window now. I'm going to refresh. I'll click on New Chat. And then notice it immediately allows me to talk to the Crunchbase Sourcing Analyst. So that's how I know that the skill has been installed correctly. So hopefully this helps you understand the value of skills. We're planning to continue to release these for the MCP server, and we'd love to hear from you on what skills you'd like to see in the future. Thank you so much.